Welcome back to the P&N Project channel. We just finished the basement, so today I'm going to go over the Bose Smart Soundbar 900 and the surround speakers and subwoofer 700. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you can help me out, if you're interested in buying any of these, check out the links in the description below. So right here we have the Smart Soundbar. Really happy with the performance of this thing. It sounds really nice. Really easy to set up. Let me show you in the back here. We basically have a power cord here, an HDMI going to the TV, and there is, maybe hard to see, but there's some additional inputs for various things, including a, let's see if we can get this here, Cat 5 or Cat 6 and an optical cable. So the interesting part is this is a wireless system, kind of, meaning there's no wires that go from the soundbar to the surround speakers or subwoofer. But each one of the surround speakers has this wireless receiver, which connects to power. And it comes with, I want to say, about a 30-foot speaker cable. So you do need to hook the speaker cable to the surround speakers. For this, I ran the wires through the wall, and let me show you what that looks like. So this was a pretty easy installation. All we did here is take this bracket and attach with 2 screws. And you can see here I have a red and black wire that I ran through the wall. This goes back to the wireless receivers. One wire gets attached into each screw here. Then this bottom plate just slides on, attached with 2 screws. And you can see this screw here kind of sticking up. What that does, if I can get this in here, you just slide the speaker on, or set the speaker in place, like so. It just sits on there. And from underneath, if I can get this, right here, you just tie that, tighten that screw, and that holds the screw on. So again, here's the finished look. Once the wires are run, it just takes a few minutes to hook up. And we'll do a quick, over here is the other one. Sounds really good. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't want to get any copyright claims going. So let's go take a look at the subwoofer. Same thing, the subwoofer's here. You really don't need to do anything other than plug it into the wall. And so once you download the Bose app, you plug in your surround speakers, you plug in your smart soundbar, and you plug in your subwoofer. It takes just a couple minutes to set up. You hook up from your smartphone to the soundbar by Wi-Fi, and then you just go in there and say add accessories, basically, and it finds the other speakers. Everything works great. So definitely give the Bose systems a thumbs up. And again, if there's any way you can help me out by subscribing, if you are interested in buying these, I'll put links to Amazon so you can pick them up. And thank you very much. Have a great day.